The holidays are just around the corner, y'all, so keep your vocal health intact. This is the time of year to balance a healthy social life, so you have to make calculated choices, especially during the holidays when your party options are endless and you're spending more time with family and friends. You've also got to figure out how to take care of your instrument. So here's how I balance work and life while keeping my voice healthy. Couple of tips for y'all. 1, I seek more silent social options. It's not a complete replacement of your social life, obviously, but I will actively choose a couple nights a week for a more silent social activity, like going to a movie, so I can rest my vocal cords while still interacting with a shared experience with others. Going to a movie, going to a play, the kind of place that doesn't require you to talk all the time. Another thing that I'll do is I'll buffer big outings. If I've got a social gathering that I know is going to be loud and I don't want to miss out on any of the fun, I'm going to buffer my voiceover work so that my schedule doesn't mean that if I'm out until midnight the night before, hanging out, talking loud with my friends, that I'm not up at 9 a.m. having to record that next day. So just adjust your schedule so you can put some rest or recovery days when you need to, so that you will enter your recording sessions with less stress. And you can pour yourself that 3rd glass of champagne if you want. Another thing you want to keep in mind, speaking of champagne, is that dehydration is really a problem this time of year, and it's exacerbated by caffeine and alcohol intake, as well as smoky environments. So make sure that you're hydrating before bed after a night out. Maybe if you were at a loud concert where you sang along really loudly, just make sure you're taking care of yourself by compensating with more hydration. And don't forget the power of a 10-minute steam. This is your excuse to take that long, steamy shower.